Greetings from Astanade. We will be looking at restaurant or table manners. Sam is working as a supervisor. He is working in a multinational company and is often invited to dinners, lunches, and where certain corporate topics are also discussed. So what he should do? And what are the manners? What are the things he can do and he should not do at the dining table, where he has been invited by the management to join them at lunches or dinners, and he is expected to follow a certain etiquette. So let us see what are the things he can do and he cannot do. First of all, he has to be dressed appropriately. Dressing is important. He has to be punctual. He can't make others wait. And if he is carrying a mobile telephone, he should also follow the etiquette, and you should put it in silent mode if possible. Don't make it a distraction for others. And while eating, you should try to avoid speaking. So it looks very bad when your mouth is full and you try to speak, and that's bad etiquette. You should chew quietly. You should not make any noise. And if you are having some soup or something, you should not make noise. Slurping is not the right thing. It should be avoided. And you should take small bites so that it doesn't choke or it becomes so unpleasant for others to see, he's stuffing with big pieces. It is not the right way when you're in a restaurant. And eat leisurely. You should space it out properly. Don't rush through. And in case he's having some utensils or probably a spoon or knife, you should not be, and waving it in the air to attract attraction or to point out to somebody. And elbows should not be kept on the table. That's what we have been told right from childhood. And if you want to leave the table for whatever is the reason, if you want to go to the washroom or restroom, you have to take permission before leaving the table. At the end, if possible, compliment the cook. Food was good, it was great. So that's one way of saying thank you. And at the table, avoid unnecessary hot topics, as they say, or unwanted topics, and can lead to unpleasant situations. Always remember saying please and thank you. It's a wonderful way of participating and showing the right etiquette. So there are many more things which you need to follow. And these are occasions when you have a chance to interact with co-workers, colleagues within the company, or even with professionals from outside the company. Putting the right etiquette shows you you're professional, also enhances the company's image. So follow them. We at Astanade conduct a number of seminars, and our details are available at www.astanade.com. Thank you.